guys, welcome back. Here we go. Welcome to Jasmine Father Garage. We got the Supra. Too many vehicle. I forgot what I'm working on now. We got the Rx7 right here. Yes. Finally start working on this now. On my previous video, showed you guys I was prepping on my side skirt, front bumper, and the rear bumper. I was prepping on those before we start installing it. So I went crazy already. I put the camera down and start working on the side skirt, both sides. So I bolted down right here already. This is just a temporary bolt. I'm gonna get a flat flange bolt on this so that it's nice and flush and it's not black. So this is just a temporary bolt right there. I start working on it here, nice and flush right here. I'm gonna push this thing down and probably like put a bolt right here. It's kind of warped. This is a used, came with the vehicle. The guy took it off before he sold this vehicle to me. So kind of put it on the side. Now I'm gonna put it on the vehicle, see how it look. There's a crack on the bottom in here. My previous video, I put a fiberglass down here, you can see. So it's all scuffed off. All you guys know that this is gonna get painted. I have no idea what color yet. So drop down below, put a comments, see what kind of color should I get. So you can see here, it's all nice and flush. Bolt right there, gonna get another bolt right here. So it's all even out. So this is just a temporary bolt. I'm gonna get the nice looking bolt, dress up bolt on this right here. A little bit of problem right here. When I tried to install this, it was hitting on the door when I opened the door. So I kind of trim a little bit. Sandpaper. So that's on the right side. Let's go on the front here. The front, you can see the C-West front bumper right there. I don't have to do anything on the front bumper because it's all nice and clean and brand new. The fender right here, I had to prep this down. Same thing on this side right here. On the left side, you can see I did a bit of work on here. It's always on this side of here that it's hitting the door when I install the side skirt. And then I got this clamp because it's warp, a little bit of warp right here, nice and flush. I was thinking of maybe putting a Bondo here so it's like nice and clean so that you don't see any of these lines. And this hole right here, I'm gonna put like a, I don't know what do you call that, chicken wire. Same thing on the other side right here. Just look like the one on the front bumper right there. I was thinking of painting it black, those screen mesh. Maybe just stick with the white color, I don't know. All right, so there we go. I got the 2 bolts right there, nice and solid. All the bolts that hold the side skirt, I'm gonna put a rib nut and then a flange bolt after, flat head bolt, so it's low profile, really skinny. The back, you can see that this is not the original bumper. This is a C-West N1 first gen bumper. It's a used one. One of the FD owners don't like this, so I purchased from him like 200 bucks. It's pretty rough. When I bought it, it has like a bunch of missing fiberglass right here, and then a lot of scuffed off area right here. There's a crack right here, so I had to put a whole bunch of fiberglass. So I had to prep all this thing down right here so it's nice and solid, there's no crack, and cover up all the holes for the bolts. Same thing in here. There's one right here, it's cracked. I just did this like a couple hours ago. You just had to wait for the next 24 hours to cure all this here. And then we're gonna be mocking up, installing it on the vehicle after. Can't wait, guys. This is gonna look sick. And you can see that this is the original bumper right there. This is the original from that vehicle. Gonna take out those side reflector right there, and then there's emblems and decals. I'm gonna put that on this rear bumper, but first it needs to be painted. And the bulb right here, halogen bulb. I'm gonna switch this to LED. All the 6 bulbs right here, they're all the same. Gonna switch those to LED, and then I think there's 3 right here or 4. 921 is the part number of the bulb. I'm gonna switch those to LED as well. Same thing with the license plate bulb right here. I'm gonna switch that to LED, and everything's gonna look sick, guys. This is gonna get covered up. There's no holes right here, so that's a bummer. I don't want to drill a hole. Who knows? Maybe I will. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But other than that, this is pretty good. See the thing about aftermarket bumpers and side skirt, they don't line up. It's tough. I spent about a couple hours prepping this side right here. I'm not done yet. I'm just gonna have to like push this one in. But if you see, if I close the door, it looks pretty good. Looks nice. The gap right here is not bad. It's not hitting. You put a paper right here and shut the door, and then if the paper move left and right, that means that you got a good clearance. It's not gonna hit, it's not gonna scratch the door and the side skirt. So I'm just showing you what's going on with this Rx7. Next video, I was thinking of taking the whole engine out, the whole engine, the whole harness, because when this thing get painted, I want to get the engine bay painted as well. So maybe that will be the next couple video. But other than that, give me a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe. Don't miss out. This Rx7 is gonna be a different color. It's gonna be sick. So thanks for watching.